Rental prices in Friuli, Venezia, Giulia have hit record highs, averaging over 10 euros for square meter for the first time. Compared to 2017, that's a 46% increase, making it significantly more expensive to find housing, especially in Trieste. Of the prices for renting a house in Friuli, Venezia, Giulia?
Absolutely, yes.
Yes.
Yes, it's crazy now. It's I think the double of some years ago. Actually, not to buy more than renting. But anyway, I saw the prices, and yes, they are very high. I think that mainly is also because of tourism. So there are a lot of people that book for short term renting the homes.
Yes, we have noticed. Yeah,
Like,
we didn't try, but sometimes we watch the shop of rental houses, and we noticed the difference about 5 years ago, maybe, and the prices are really rising.
No, the materials to build a house are too much expensive than the other years. No, so if you build a flat, the materials are very expensive, and so the rentals are expensive too. No.
She has an apartment, and she rents for tourists, and she can rent monthly for very high prices, and some years ago it was possible. So at this time the prices is high, but the people rent every week. Every week the apartment is full of people, of tourists. Really.